In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up user roles in QuickBooks Online Accountant. If you're managing a business or a team, assigning roles is essential for efficient workflow and maintaining data security. By clearly defining user access, you can ensure that each team member can perform their tasks without compromising sensitive information. First, let's navigate to QuickBooks. You'll want to open your web browser and go to the QuickBooks main page through the provided link. Logging into your QuickBooks Online Accountant account is your first step. Remember, accessing directly ensures that you're in the right place to make the necessary account changes. Once logged in, the next step is to look for the settings, which can usually be found at the top right corner of your dashboard. Clicking on the Settings icon is your gateway to all the customizability that QuickBooks offers. Within Settings, you will find options that allow you to tailor your account to fit your business needs. But for today's focus, we need to proceed to Manage Users. After accessing the settings, you will then click on Manage Users. This is where you have the power to define roles within your organization. In this section, you have the ability to add new users, modify existing roles, and set specific permissions tailored to each user's responsibilities. It's crucial to remember that each user should have only the access they need, reducing the risk of unwanted information exposure. Now, let's delve into why this is important. Establishing user roles supports better accountability and security. For instance, financial oversight roles need access to fiscal reports, but they may not require routine customer data. By delineating roles like these, everyone knows their responsibilities, workflows are streamlined, and your financial data remains secure. QuickBooks allows for different types of user roles, such as administrative roles, billing roles, or reporting roles. Consider which tasks each person in your team needs to perform and assign them accordingly. This way, you're not only organizing your team's tasks, but also ensuring that your business operations are running smoothly and safely. In conclusion, the steps we've talked through are simple but powerful in managing your QuickBooks Online Accountant's user roles. Start by going to QuickBooks, navigating to Settings, and finally managing users where all your configurations happen. Setting up and defining user roles will help streamline your operations and keep your confidential data secure. Remember, effectively managing these roles is crucial for sustaining a productive and secure business environment. Thank you for joining me today on this guide. I hope you find this instructional video helpful in setting up your user roles in QuickBooks. Stay tuned for more tips and guides on managing your business tools efficiently.